Did you know you need approval to sell a DJI product online at Amazon? Did you know the Mimo app cannot unbind your cameras? You have to get with DJI personally. Hey, I'm Fish. How's everybody doing out there today? I went into the Mimo app. I wanted to see the cameras I got on there. I got two Action 3s, an Action 4, and Action 5 Pro in the Pocket 3. I want to get rid of the Action 3 because it's the creators combo and I don't own that. I only own one standalone Action 3. I apologize. I also have an Action 1, which is also there as well. And yeah, I got to get with DJI, and I chatted with them so they could straighten out my device management and profiling. I'm researching online, places, yes, and also brick stores. I may want to swap out, exchange, but that takes a lot of trust. It's not good to take a big loss, but you're going to lose a little, and a resale should be there. Anyway, I cleaned the actual lens. I cleaned the outside. I believe I also cleaned the inside. Lights. Don't you just love what the light does to the video? My mic I lowered down, and I'm using the action camera. And yeah, I could tilt it, I could hold it. When I drop it down over here, I got nothing to worry about. I got the quick mount magnetic clip on the camera. Could it be a little loose? You know, it does move very slightly. Side to side, that may be. With my other camera, the extension, way too loose for me. It's not tight, annoying. And yeah, it doesn't have a quick snap, meaning that you can instantly turn it on, but it does come on, it does rotate around to where you need it to be at, and depending on what you have it set for. This is a snap and go. It's not a get up, start, and go. On the go, that is. I want a camera that's on the go, that quickly starts up, takes the shot, and off you go. Then just sit here, wait, and then go. Holding on, just waiting, may not be what I want, and going and grabbing something else, it's just not going to help out the situation at hand. If I shoot like this, you can see my background. But if I do something else, like so, the background is not focused. I prefer a focused background so you can see the garbage truck go. I don't want to be focused. I want the background as well to be focused while I'm focused as well. You know what I mean. So that's why I like and go towards an action camera than, you could say, a cinematic camera, a gimbal camera. Do you like your Pocket 3 and you requested to have your background clear to put in that feature that most Sony cameras have, that you simply hit the background to be focused when you're in view? And believe it or not, I hit that one too many times, and I know it doesn't keep my background focused. My Action 5 does just about everything that you got it, but doesn't do motion lapse. If the engineers can take care of it in subject tracking, you got motion lapse or time lapse. Days are coming, and they're getting closer for DJI Osmo Action 6 Pro, the official camera. We could call it a beta camera all over again, like the Action 5 Pro. You got the action camera for sports. Do your shots and off you go. You want an action camera for webcam? Then DJI should start making a webcam. You want it for live stream? Then let them make a live stream camera. Let's just have them make us a vlogger's camera and not worry about having a 5-in-1 hybrid camera like we had years before. I shot video, I did subject tracking, and I'm back on video. I'm not on Super Night. Well, I said a lot, did a lot, showed some, shared a lot. And on that note, you know who I am? I'm Fish, and I gotta move forward.